In this video, we're going to replace the inside rear door handle on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. At the base of the handle, you're going to take a pick and just go, there's a little, almost like a nail head that you got to pry down. When you pry it down, just grab the handle and it slides right out. You can see it right there. And you're just trying to pry it down just like that. Take the new handle, line it up, and just click it down in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.